have this one. In either way, we also have karma. And we got the loss. So, gustong sabihin sa'yo ng Diyos na yung iyong hater ay mga taong na jealous sa'yo, yung nasa sense ko. Nakakarma sila ngayon. Nakakaroon sila ng losses sa kanilang buhay. I feel na it's more on career. So, we have the action in either way. Kaya sila nagkakaroon ng karma, guys, kasi sila yung tao na dapat mag-focus sa kanilang buhay rather than mag-focus sa'yo at sirain ka. So, kaya nangyari dito, dahil hindi sila nagde-take action, kung ano man meron sila sa ngayon, nawawala yung mga bagay na dapat tinutuunan nila ng pansin. You also have the boss here. I feel they're jealous of you because maybe you are the boss of your company or pwede rin you take charge control of your life. And this person, they could be somebody na persuading others to hate you too. They could be somebody who lied too much. We also got time machine. In either way, we also have the cheat in reverse. We also have this one. I'm really sensing karmic energy dito. Alright, so gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Diyos, okay? Na yung mga taong ito, hindi sila nagpo-focus sa kanilang buhay. Kaya sila nakakarma. I feel na kahit noon, nangyari din to sa kanilang buhay. Sa kanilang career, okay? And we have this one in reverse. 4 is in reverse as well. And we also got the 7. Okay? So far, gustong sabihin ng Diyos na ginaguide naman niya yung mga taong ito na pumunta sa tamang landas. Okay? But yet, these people, they're not awakened. They are choosing the wrong path. Mas gusto nila yung ganong path kaysa sa path ng maganda para sa kanila. At umiiwas sila to look deeper kung bakit panay ganyan na nangyari sa kanilang buhay. Kasi guys, kung aware lang sila, iiwas silang gumawa ng masama because first of all, yung karma nila laging losses with regards sa kanilang abundance. And iba sa kanila can be it's about home or foundation, yung nawawala. Kasi yun nga, dapat hindi sila ganito. Okay, dapat sila yung tao na focus lang sa kanilang buhay. Okay, rather than manira ng kapwa. Rather than, maging inggit sa kapwa. Okay, kasi sila mismo may blessing sila. Yun nga lang, hindi nila tinutuunan ng pansin. Kaya, ginagawa na lang is inaalis sa kanila yung blessings na yan. Okay, so anyway, the lesson learned here, don't be like them. Okay? So, sinasabi sa iyo ng Diyos na yung mga taong ito, nakakarma sila sa ngayon. Kung di ba yan nangyayari pa, mangyayari yan, guys. Okay? At paulit-ulit yung kanyang kamalasan sa kanilang buhay unless they change. Okay? So, that's it, everyone, and God bless all.